Replace the Hall switch of the ice maker. Disconnect the power supply. Remove the back panel. Open the black mainboard cover. Remove the cover fixing screws. Remove the cover. Remove the water pipe fixing plate. Pinch the water pipe clip, twist and pull out the water pipe. Use a tool to gently pry out one side of the baffle and remove it. Use a tool to pry out the house switch. Remove the rubber plug. Cut the fixing cable tie. Locate the corresponding port, the Hall switch, and unplug it. Pull out the old house switch. Snap the new Hall switch into the corresponding slot. Thread the wider end to the back side. Insert the port into the corresponding position on the mainboard. Reinstall the rubber ring. Fasten the cable tie. Reinstall the black cover of the mainboard box. Reinstall the water pipe. Secure the water pipe. Reinstall the top cover and back panel. Reinstall the water flow baffle. Replacement complete.